Okay, so this is a little update. It's the 7th of January 2022. I have received a notice from my online medical records that it is IDC grade 2 triple negative, and it's advanced malignancy. I have an appointment on the 10th, which is in 3 days' time on Monday, and they'll be able to tell me at what stage it's at. I've had a lot of pain in my arm, but that seems to have subsided. But now I'm finding that I have a lot of pain in my left leg. The pain has moved down to my left leg, and I have pain in my left hip, my left knee, and all down the between. It has gone down towards my ankle, so I've been feeling a bit of pain in my shin. They've given me some painkillers to help with that, but I'm finding it almost impossible to put any weight on my left leg, so walking is quite difficult at the moment. So it is advancing very, very rapidly. But I am trying to stay as positive as possible. I'm getting a lot of information, obviously knowing the type, knowing that it's triple negative, does mean that none of the hormone treatments will work. So I already know that chemotherapy is the most likely form of treatment that they're going to offer me. And to tell you the truth, I can't wait to get started. I know it's really odd, isn't it, to say that you're looking forward to chemotherapy, but when it comes on so quickly, you don't really have a chance. I mean, it's literally 8 weeks since I first went to the doctors, and that's how quickly it advances. And I'm pretty much slaughtered most of the time. Sleeping's been quite difficult, but now they've given me some pain relief for my leg. I'm finding it a lot easier. Spiritually and emotionally, obviously, it's a little bit, emotionally it's very up and down, but spiritually I'm finding I seem to be dealing with it really well. I feel like I'm prepared for the possibility that it may be extremely bad news, but I won't know until I've had some chemotherapy as to how quickly it responds to it. So I'm hoping that it responds to the chemotherapy, and that it can be, but I'm prepared, and I've talked to my son about preparing for every eventuality, and it's quite nice actually, because I feel like I'm able to have some input into what I'm able to to make some arrangements that I feel that I would like. So I will talk about that at a later date, I think, because it's something that we all have to face at some point. And, being 55, it is something that everybody at my age has to think about anyway. So it's quite nice to, just decide, how things will go, and in what context and what sentiment and what yeah, it's not as bad as I was expecting, and it's actually um, for me, it's actually given me a lot of comfort because I know that whatever happens, everything's going to be all right.